My name's Matt. I'm one of the co-owners here. Welcome to our business called Caydence Records and Coffee on Payne Avenue since 2016. It's all our favorite things: music, coffee, and being together as a community. Spent years playing in different rock and roll bands in the East Side, lots of friends from neighborhood high schools and connections there. We were a gigantic fan and inspired by other small businesses here that made us want to start our own business here. We like it. It's where we live. I love the diversity, and I can afford to start a business here. We want people to enjoy community together. There's lots of products that you could get convenience from your own computer, not even leaving the house. We feel community needs to be memorable. It has to be a good time, and that's how we all grow together. We all live together. We all work together as well. COVID-19 pandemic has affected our business very much. Initially in March, we closed entirely. We had to lay off all 7 of our staff. It was very sad. We decided that we wanted to continue business and the dream would not stop in March, so myself and my co-owner Greg reopened the business in takeout only, and we started selling music online, and slowly but surely over the last 9 months, we've brought back all of our workers. It's been a strange roller coaster of a year, up and down, lots of changes, and we keep pushing through. Tu la mu ba thu, Caydence Records and Coffee.
Every month, Caydence Records and Coffee offers up their wall space to local artists within our community in a way to try to promote not just art, but East Side art. And so this month, the Urban Village Artist Collective is being represented here at Caydence Records and Coffee. And we would so love if you would come down to see it, check out the art, and buy a cup of coffee, chat with Matt, the owner, maybe buy a record or a donut, and just get to know these phenomenal people and really expanding our connection in this neighborhood. So hope to see you here.
When they meet up with Apollo, Pagano put it apart, what Benny Basico, Quatayala, but Hepala, where up Pagano put it apart, at Tata we pay, a Honene, Patulo Muba, where Pagano put it apart, or Simple with it apart, and Duke hair, when the metal help we all coffee bar, the blood of Cornea, when in Los Hoda, college put it upon and see him, Mali pay, the La Clara Cane, Uchico, the web of Pagano put it apart, Hepala, whether when a Pagano put a good thought it apart, when a task sweater was it apart, a Honene. Meta read the color, but thing out of web for your positive power, who ended up with move as you got in law, tablet.